how to find pyramid ruins in Evony. So pyramid ruins are a little thing where you can find during the treasure hunt event, which is this over here. So if the treasure hunt event isn't going on, then you obviously won't be able to find these pyramid ruins. So you're gonna have to keep in mind that the pyramid ruins itself is going to be hard to find. So if you're having a hard time, then that usually is normal. But if you're wondering what the pyramid ruins look like, it should be something like this over here. But once you have that in mind, you can go back in your game and you go to the global map and just manually search for it, since there's no automatic way to find it. There's a little tip that you can go ahead and do, which is switching your orientation into a landscape form. So you can go ahead to your Play Store and download something like this, which is a screen orientation control. Open it up and make sure the permissions are allowed. Press on start over here and just choose the second option here on the top, which is to orient your screen into like a landscape form. What you're gonna have to do now is just go back directly into the app, search for power, and Evony. So your screen orientation will now look like this. So it will make it easier for you to find the pyramid ruins in Evony. But that is pretty much a little tip you can do if you want to go ahead and find this much easier. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.